guys, so I would have loved to have given you a really great video about these B&G samples that I got in a recent box, but of course, what's one more thing during the coronavirus that's not working? My audio was cutting in and out, so I'm sorry, but you guys are gonna get a little bit of a voiceover in some parts. So I know it's horrible and it sucks, but you know what? You get what you get, you don't be upset. So if that is not your thing, go ahead and skip on through. If you want to see what I got in my box, stay tuned. And here we go. B&G Trading Box. If you are unfamiliar with B&G Trading, they are, sorry if it's like wobbling, I have everybody up on the table. B&G Trading is a wholesale apparel. Oh yeah, so B&G Trading is a wholesale apparel liquidator, and they sent me a sample box. So it should be 10 pieces of a women's apparel sample collection. So I don't think any of this will be new with tag. It's just 10 pieces. Everything I think I paid should be around $4 per piece. I have no idea what is inside this box, and the anticipation is killing me. What we get. Okay, thank you. All right, so this is my 4th or 5th box from B&G Trading. I've never gotten one like this before. My little guy. Oh look, I'm fighting with a box and it is winning. Womp womp. Going all over the place. All right, so that's the inside of the box. The first thing we have here is, did I open this upside down? Nope. All right, so Myra. I kind of love that they send these little cards that tell you who packed your box and how many pieces are in it. So this is English Factory, size small. It is an adorable little dress. It's white with this multicolored rainbow eyelets. Super pretty. It's really cute. And again, no tag or anything like that. These are just samples. And this one's colorful too. Let's see what this is. Get it together, girl. Flip that shirt around. Cool. This is Lost and Wander. This is a brand I would have to research. I'm unfamiliar. And I do not know what size this is. Some of these may not even have size tags on them, so I would need to measure. Let's see. So a lot of times the typical sample is a size 6, and I was saying they size up or size down. And then they will size up or size down from them. So I'll just note all of the measurements in the listing. But now that I have this thing properly twisted up, you can see it is an adorable top. It's got 3/4 length sleeves and this very long tie in the front. And I thought I saw, it might actually be, it's knotted in the front, but I thought I saw, yeah, so there's holes in the side. It's actually just a wrap top. It's super cute. So it just goes through that hole to wrap it in the front. All right, and this next piece, these look like pants. Laven, again, just a size small. We'll just say this is incoherent babbling from one of my kids. They probably want a snack. We are going through the snacks real quickly this week. So these are a pair of striped pants, side zip. They are wide leg, and down at the bottom they have this really cool lace with a little eyelash fringe. As you can see, the lace really accentuates all the paint I have on my jacket. So those are some nice pants. This is a sweater from Monroe. Again, no size. This is a really soft. Oh, I love the fabric on this one. It was super soft and squishy. I might keep this. Squishy knit. Let's see if there's a size. Down here. Nope, some tape. It's a fun surprise. All right, so. And then this is Monroe Classic, a back seam, just kind of a It's showing up kind of green, but it's actually like a neon yellow, just little t-shirt. English Factory. This is a long sleeve white t-shirt with a peplum hem. Let's see if there's any sort of tag. And this is kind of that same neon color. This is Endless Rose, size small. This does have the tag on it. This is a pinstripe button front top, or dress rather, with some ruching, a waterfall little drape. Oh, this was a really cool Monroe crew neck, but this actually already sold. The size. Oh. This is kind of a green long sleeve little crew neck sweater. And another English Factory piece. This is a blush pink sweater with this V ruffle in the front, long sleeve. I think this is the last one that I had in this box. This rose, size small. And what piece is this? This is another dress. So this is cute. So it's got ties, tie shoulder straps. It's got the little ruffle, tiered ruffle at the hem. Slightly kind of high-low. So that's it. So did I get 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those are my 10 samples. So pretty good box. I'm gonna do some research and see if any of them actually made it online anywhere, because again, they were samples, which means they may or may not have made it into stores. Yeah, so if you are amidst ordering B&G Trading, they are pretty great about shipping you some really good pieces, and you don't have to spend time at a Goodwill or other thrift stores to get things to resell. So yeah, it's a really great option, and I've been using them. I'm really happy with everything that I've gotten so far. Yeah, sorry guys, this wasn't what it was meant to be, but give me a thumbs up anyway. Considering about subscribing, definitely subscribe, leave me a comment. I love answering all of your questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, see ya.